In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode on Patreon. If you prefer a darker screen that feels easier on the eyes, especially at night or in low light environments, Patreon makes this really simple to turn on. Dark mode can also help reduce glare and make the app or site feel a bit more comfortable to use for longer periods. To get started, open Patreon and make sure you're on your main account screen. Once you're inside the app, go to your profile. This is where you'll usually find personal account options, preferences, and extra settings that affect how Patreon looks and behaves for you. After you've opened your profile, look for the three dots menu. This is typically used for additional options that aren't shown directly on the main profile page. Tap the three dots to open that menu. If you don't immediately notice it, take a second to scan the top area of the screen, since that's a common place for this kind of menu to appear. When the menu opens, find the dark mode option and tap it. As soon as you select it, Patreon should switch from its regular light appearance to a darker theme. That means backgrounds will become dark, while text and icons will adjust so they stay readable. If you don't see the change right away, give the app a moment to refresh visually. In some cases, closing and reopening the app can help the new appearance apply more clearly. Also, depending on the version of Patreon you're using, the layout may look slightly different, but the overall process is the same. Go to your profile, open the three dots menu, and select dark mode. This setting is especially useful if you spend time reading creator posts, browsing memberships, or watching content in the evening. It can make the overall viewing experience feel smoother and less harsh on your screen. And that's all it takes to enable dark mode on Patreon. It's a quick setting, but it can make a big difference in how comfortable the platform feels during everyday use. If you want, you can always revisit the same menu later to change the appearance again. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you customize Patreon in a way that works better for you.